Alright, so welcome back to another day in the channel, you guys. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about 3 of the most arguably important tips that you need to know when starting your starter lock. Alright, so number 1, and arguably the most important tip when it comes to starting your starter lock journey, is you want to make sure that you are hydrating your locks at least once every single day. I recommend doing this in the morning time using a spray bottle. By doing this, not only are you going to be hydrating your locks, but you're going to be helping keeping your locks moisturized as well. You want to do this by spraying water directly to the scalp. We want to do a little bit, a moderate amount, or do as needed if you have a drier scalp than others. Make sure that you are hydrating your scalp each and every single day. Not only hydrating your scalp, make sure that you're hydrating your body, drinking a lot of water, increasing your water intake. This is arguably one of the most important things that you can do for your locks when it comes to creating and having healthy locks throughout your starter lock journey. Number two, avoid pulling on any loose ends when it comes to your starter locks. Avoid doing this by just avoid touching your hair altogether. The goal is you want to allow your locks to grow with as least manipulation as possible. So you don't want to be touching your hair, pulling on any loose ends. So you just want to let your hair do its thing, let your hair do its job, and just avoid touching it altogether. This is going to be very, very, very important, because by pulling on loose ends, you're going to be causing your hair to unravel, and it's going to be causing breakage as well as thinning to your locks, which is 3 things that you do not want. So number 3, and arguably the most underrated tip that you're ever going to hear when it comes to starting your starter lock journey, this is something that you need to be mindful of because it's very, very, very important. Make sure that you are not neglecting your facial hygiene when starting your starter locks. A lot of times what's going to happen is, due to the fact that your hair is lying directly onto your face, you're going to be seeing a lot more oil bumps or a lot more acne. So make sure that you guys are cleaning your face and not neglecting your facial hygiene. I recommend doing this every night. That way you can be going to sleep with a fresh face. Alright, so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, subscribe in the comment box below. And until next time.